Hello, welcome to my tutorial series. At first we will need to start XAMPP, MySQL and Apache. Then we have to open Firefox or another explorer and open PHP MyAdmin. In this case we will add a new database for our project. We will call it Simple CMS. I choose no collision. And then we create. At first we will add the user database. So we will write users and we need an ID to identify the user. We need a username. We need a password. And I will also add a timestamp created at, so we can see when the user is created. The type is datetime. Password we will use watcher. We need to set the default current timestamp, so it will automatically add the time. Username we will change to watcher2. The ID needs to be not null but primary, and auto increment. Yeah. Okay. When we have this, we can click on Save to finish. I will check everything. Yeah, it looked like we will add the username to unique, because this is we can use this for that only one username is called the same. Now we will create our first PHP script. We will create the database connection. At first we have to define a few variables, like DB server. It's for the MySQL connection string. We will use localhost. Then we will define the username. It will be root on XAMPP. We also need to define a password, but we will leave it empty, because with a normal XAMPP installation we don't need to have password. But please don't do it in a production version, so everyone can log in with your root and kill your database and so on. Okay, I will check we call it Simple CMS, so we need to define the DB name. Now I will create the connection string called link, so we can use it in our other scripts I will create. Yeah. We have to now write down the defined constants in the string for connection. And now I create it says for security reason, so if the link has no connection, we will create a die function, so the connection gives an error out. Yeah, thank you for watching, and we will create the next step in the next video.